Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Telegram Premium. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone. Now, simply navigate to Telegram. If you don't have the application, navigate to Play Store, open Telegram and install Telegram application. Now, click on Open and this will instantly open up Telegram. Here, you're simply going to click on the three-lined icon at the top left of the screen. Now, when you click on this three-lined icon, it will show up this submenu at the left. Here, you're going to simply click on the settings icon from this list. Now, when you click on settings, it will show you this page. So, this is the settings page of Telegram where you'll have to scroll down and navigate to the settings section. Here, you will see chat settings, data storage, chat folders, language, and different tools. Just under these tools, you will see Telegram Premium and My Stars. So simply click on Telegram Premium. Now, it will show up this page where you can choose whether you want Telegram Premium annually or monthly. That means you want a monthly plan or an annual plan. The annual plan comes with a 37% discount. So you can choose whatever plan you like. After choosing the plan, you can see you get these features in the plans selected. So you can scroll down and choose any feature that you want to know more about and see how it works. Now, you can scroll down at the bottom and click on subscribe for this much amount per year or per month. Now, when you click on that button, it will show up this page where it will show the starting date of your subscription and you will see the payment option at the bottom. You can click on the payment option and it will show you payment methods where you will see UPI, Google Play balance, your card, your bank and other payment methods. You can also click on add credit or debit card if you want to pay it with that. You can also add a redeem code. So if I click on add credit or debit card, it will take me up to this page where I can add my card holder's name, CVV, month, year, card number and state. After doing this, I can click on save card and then I'll be navigated to a page where I'll have to just enter the OTP, complete the payment and I would have successfully bought the Telegram Premium. Now, if you want Telegram Business, you can select Telegram Business, click on subscribe and just follow the steps shown in the previous method. You can also send Telegram as a gift by clicking on this button and choosing the person you want to give Telegram to and choose a plan like 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. I will choose 6 months here and I will click on send a gift. You can also add additional messages for them. Click on buy and complete the payment. Then you would have successfully bought the Telegram Premium for another person. So that's how you buy Telegram Premium. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.